Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E6i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Firstly, you need to open Devices Settings. Then scroll down to access Security section and tap on Screen Lock under Device Security. Following that, tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Then create it. Select Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then choose Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Lastly, click on one of those options to answer the question how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with the last option, so when I click, I need to select Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!